children, welcome to Rainbow Art. So are you ready children? Are you ready for the drawing class? Yes, I know you are ready. So take out your drawing copy and pencil eraser. Today we are going to make a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon we are going to make. I will show you step by step. Don't worry, okay children? I will show you the drawing, then the coloring, slowly step by step. Nice color we are going to add. Okay children, ready? Yes, so let's start. I will show you the drawing in my drawing copy. Okay children? So first you need to make the oval. Okay children? Now what we will do? Now we will erase this portion. Okay? This portion we are going to erase. See? The bottom portion we are going to erase. So here I have made the slipping line. Okay? One more line we are going to add here. Slipping line. Okay? See? I have made here two slipping line. So now one standing line we will draw here. From here we are going to make a standing line like this. Next again one slipping line here, then one more slipping line like this. Done. So two slipping line I have made here. We will make a box like this. Done. Straight line. Okay, in the middle I have made a straight line. Okay, next in the left hand side we will draw a curved line. Okay, done. Next one more line we will draw here. Next one more line. So three lines I have made here. Okay children? Now here also we will make three lines. 2, 3. Here we will make a ball. Now what we will do? Now we will make some clouds here. Okay, small clouds we will draw here like this. One more small clouds like, okay, here we can make some birds. Here we can make some birds. Here we will make a hill, and we will try to make house here. House we have made here, and the tree we will like this. Okay, and here also we will make a hill and a small house we will draw here. Here we can make some grass. Okay, we can add some flowers. Okay, so now we are going to color it. Okay children, step by step I am going to show you. Ready? So here we are going to make one more boy. Okay children, here we are going to make one more boy. So we have made two boys. So first red color I am going to do here. From one side slowly. See children, from one side slowly we will do, and we should not leave that white portion. Okay children, one side we will go step by step like this. Okay, we are going to use the orange color here. Step by step from one side. See the direction children. From one side slowly we are going to do step by step from one side. Now we are going to use the yellow color here. From one side slowly from one side step by step. See like this. Now we are going to use the pink color. Everybody like pink color, no? Especially girls like pink color, I know that. So here I am using the pink color. So here again red color we will start. From one side slowly. Now again we will start from here. Orange color we will do here slowly step by step like this. So this same color we are doing here. Okay children, same color we are doing here. Here we are going to use the brown color, and here also we are going to use the brown color. Here we will use golden color. First line I am using brown color. First line I am using brown color, and then dark yellow. If you have yellow ochre, you can use children. Okay, I do not have yellow ochre, that's why I am using this golden color. But so first here his t-shirt I am going to use the violet color. So this red color I am going to use. So now I am using the body color here. Brown and black color you will mix. Okay children, the brown and black color you will mix here. Do not use direct black, black is very dark. For the roof I will use the red color. You can do any color children, it's your choice, but slowly from one direction you will do. Done. Okay children, now for the door I am using this brown color. Brown color. Okay, here also we will use the brown color. Yellow color, then the orange color. So like this, we should not leave white. Okay children, एकदम slowly तुम लोगों को करना होगा. एकदम slowly you need to do. So here I am using the violet color. Okay, next here in this house, this small house, I am going to use this red color. And lines I will use the brown color, then the yellow color for the wall. So first the green I am going to use here also, and this line also we will use. This line also we will use our green. Okay, and now we will use the light green color. Okay, from the tree I will start. So here I will use the light green color. See children, from one side we will do this light green like this. Done. Okay, and here we will use little bit yellow color. So here we will use little bit yellow color. See children, like this. Flowers you can do any color. Okay children, then grass will be dark green. For the ground we will use the light green color. From one direction slowly we will do. See children, from one direction slowly we are going to do the light green color. Here also we will use light green, but we have to start from one side. See children, for the lines of the clouds we are going to use the dark blue color. Okay children, see like this. So dark blue we have made. Okay children, so then we will make the clouds little bit dark here, left hand side. Okay, here also same thing. here also we will make same thing. Here also done. So now we will complete the sky color. Okay children, sky color everybody can make, but I will show you here. Okay, from one side, see like this, from one side slanting direction, step by step we are going to do. Okay children, see like this, step by step from one side we will do. Okay children, see from one side I will do. So like this you need to color slowly step by step. Okay children, next class में तुमको क्या drawing चाहिए comment box में लिख देना. Okay children, and subscribe the channel children. Okay, so bye bye children, bye bye.